Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now straight ahead is Mesbah Gardens, and this is the road that takes you from Mesbah Gardens down to Grandspen and then on to Albion. Very nice highway, 4-lane dual carriageway, one of the nicest roads you're going to see in Jamaica. This highway is 4 lanes all the way from Harborview to Albion. Very nice highway. Okay, so over here now is Grandspen. And this area unfortunately has suffered with the building of the highway. Because where the video started, that's a new alignment the road took. So you see this road here now? That is straight right there on the right? That used to be the main road. So when you left Mesbah Gardens, you would drive on the old road and come through that road we just looked at and go through Grandspen, which is the area we're looking at now, and head down to Albion. But because a new road was built bypassing Grandspen, it has created a problem. But look at the Caribbean Sea. Look at all of the land that can be developed. Now, although the highway doesn't go through Grandspen, look at all of this land. The government built an entrance or an exit from the highway into Grandspen. They spent over $40 million to build it. So Grandspen can still benefit from the building of this highway. It's going to take a little time, but you can put housing developments out here. It's oceanfront property. The sea is right there. This is prime real estate now. It's just a matter of time before it's developed. And that's the highway heading towards Albion. You can put so many exits from the highway. There is so much potential. But, I mean, when you change the flow of traffic, yes, it's going to cause a problem. The main road no longer goes through Grandspen. The highway has changed the flow of traffic. So right now, Grandspen is like a ghost town. Because a lot of truckers and people driving on the road would stop in Grandspen on the journey. But all is not lost. Now, the government actually has plans to try and convert Grandspen into a rest stop area. They have plans. But you can put housing developments over here. You can put a commercial center over here. There is so much land, and you have beachfront, which is really good. Just further up the road, the Southern Coast Beach Club is being built, and that is luxury apartments, and they have that project actually starts on the other side of the highway. They have an underpass. Okay, straight ahead is the entrance to Grandspen. On the right, that's what the government built. $40 million they spent just to build that road leading into Grandspen. Because they know in the long run the potential that Grandspen has. Now, the Southern Coast Southern Coast Beach Club, it actually starts on the other side of the road. They have an underpass that goes under the highway and it goes all the way back to the beach. Something like that can be done in Grandspen. Now, a lot more people are going to use this road than the old road to get to Albion. Albion, towns like Yalos, Albion, Grandspen, the Southern Coast area, Bull Bay, Harborview, they are going to literally be put back on the map bigger and better than before. Because I've driven on this road many times and it is a pleasure to drive on. To get to St. Thomas or Yalos, you have to go through this winding road, and that's why they built a new road to avoid going through that winding road. So it's going to take some time, but Grandspen has a lot of potential. I think of Bull Bay is pretty developed already, but they're actually building some luxury hotel somewhere out here. I think it's by Reggae Beach. I'll check on it because I keep talking about it. I need to get the exact location and we give you a drone picture. But Grandspend, it's like a ghost town now. We have pictures up of driving through Grandspend since the highway blocked off the main road. So you can check it out. It's like a ghost town, but there is so much potential for development. So that's another look at the bypass, and there's a break in the highway Jersey barrier. So it doesn't matter which direction you're coming from, you can access Grandspend. We will give you more information on what the government plans for this area in another video. But it's going to take time. I mean, the government has a process to go through. It takes time. But developers, I mean, I'm sure we're going to see some massive developments going on out here very soon. Especially with that exit, and you can get here from Kingston or Harborview. It's probably 15-20 minutes. And highway quality road when the road is finished. Prime real estate for development. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.